2018 Freightliner Cascadia 125 semi-tractor for sale in Bristol, Connecticut 06010. If you are searching for a powerful truck that is extremely performance-oriented, then look no further, because this 2018 Freightliner Cascadia 125 semi-tractor is the one for you. This dependable semi-tractor is powered by a strong Detroit Series 60 diesel engine that is mated with a 13-speed manual transmission that offers an impressive 500 horsepower. This 2018 Freightliner Cascadia 125 semi-tractor comes with great options and features that are perfect for any hard-working individual. Highlights of additional features include: DN 3-outs 401J DJS 7513 158,858 miles 3.42 ratio air ride suspension Tandem rear axles 236-inch wheelbase built-in refrigerator no ELD or DPF fluid needed new tires new brakes and so much more. This 2018 Freightliner Cascadia 125 semi-tractor is field ready and priced to sell. It has been very well maintained, which has enabled its road-ready condition. If you are eager to meet the demands of any rigorous lifestyle, then call today for more information on how you can put this industrious 2018 Freightliner Cascadia 125 semi-tractor to work for you.